Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this hair that I received from Recool Hair. I believe this is an Aliexpress vendor, and they have their own website. This hair is so affordable. Oh my goodness, y'all know, if you're new to my channel, you're gonna know that I am all for affordable hair. To me, you don't have to break the bank to look good. So that's one thing that I try to display on my channel, and this is one of them. This hair, first of all, let me just get into the specs of this hair. So this hair is their Peruvian straight. I have in 3 bundles in a closure in the inches. The closure is 18 inch, and then I have 3 bundles of 18, 20, and 20. Now I looked on their website. I don't think they have a combination with the 18, 20, 20 bundles, because when I went on their website, it was the 18, 20, and a 22. But the 18, 20, 22 with the 18-inch closure on their website is $143. You get some great bundles for affordable price for under $150. And this is a 20-inch. Like, that is a long hair. So shipping, I know I always get a lot of questions about shipping. The shipping comes fast to me because when they send YouTubers orders, they send it through express shipping. So it only took 2 days. So if you do buy express shipping, I'm pretty sure it's going to come within 1 to 2 days. That's just how quick they have the turnaround. So they're actually on the clock working, making sure that you're getting your package. So the shipping does not take that long. Go ahead and make this into a wig. So this wig is definitely made by me. I'm going to be having some wig sales soon, and I think I'm going to be opening up my website for you all to order custom made wigs. I know, I'll let y'all know when I decide to go ahead and open all of that up, because your girl got some things coming up. So that's gonna be one of them. Well, the specs of the hair, this hair is so silky. Now, one reason why I always get my straight hair in Peruvian, because to me, and it could be just me, to me the Peruvian hair is more of a silky texture than the Brazilian and Malaysian. That's just my opinion from what I have received. The texture to me with Peruvian has been a little more silkier on the texture than the Brazilian and Malaysian. Now, if I was going for a curly hair, I would definitely get a Brazilian or a Malaysian. With this hair, as you can see, it is so silky. I'm not getting any, absolutely no shedding. I am running my hands through the hair. I'm not getting any tangles. And I made this wig about 2 days ago. And I did cut my tracks while making this wig when I sewed it in. So this hair looks like it's gonna hold up pretty well for it to not have any shedding so far. The only thing I can say about the closure is that when I did bleach it, I believe it bleached a little bit too fast, more than what I was expecting. That could be a good thing and a bad thing if you're one of those type of people that you leave your bleach on there for a long period of time. I think I left it on there a little bit too long, because as you can see, I had to go in, and I probably need to go in and fix it some more. But I did go in and fix the closure with some black spray. So I pretty much just used the black spray. The black spray can be found at your local beauty supply store. I think they make them in different brands. I'll show you the brand that I got. And I just took the black spray and I sprayed it on some Q-tips, and then I went down the parting area and kind of fixed the over bleached knots in the parting area. And I did go ahead, I got a free part closure, so I did go ahead and pluck the parting area of this wig. So yes, this is plucked. It did not come like this. I plucked it myself. I did not try to curl this hair, but with me just straightening it, it did pretty good, and it still has the luster to it. The only thing that I have on this hair was, of course, heat protecting spray, because I had to spray heat protecting spray on it before I flat ironed it. And I also put some oil on the hair. I just put some oil on my hands, and I went through and ran my hands through the hair, and the oil that I use is by Cream of Nature. And I'm not pretty sure what kind of oil it is, but I know that it's a Cream of Nature oil. I do not have any pins in this hair. I don't have an elastic band with this wig. When I tell you this wig is fitting me so snug right now, it's crazy. I use the regular dome cap with this wig, and I usually use the extra large. So yeah, this wig is snug and it's not going literally anywhere. It's not going nowhere. They were literally, if somebody wanted to snatch my wig off, they would literally have to take it from the top. That's how tight it is. I do already have a video up showing you how I create my closure wig, so I'm definitely going to link that down in the information box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Also, y'all, let me know what videos y'all want to see me create. If you're new to my channel, let me know what brought you to my channel and what made you subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, just stay tuned, because I promise you, you're gonna hit a video that's gonna make you want to subscribe. I have so many videos coming up for you all. I have a Miami vlog that's coming up because I'm about to get ready to celebrate my birthday. I have a house tour that's coming up because I'm going to film my house tour. I also just got my camera, so I'm definitely going to show you what it looks like with me filming on my iPhone, which I'm filming on my iPhone now, and what it looks like with me filming on my camera. So definitely stay tuned for that. I have so many different crochet videos coming up. Your girl is coming into 2019, and I'm gonna be on the schedule. I'm not gonna be posting sporadically like I'll be doing now. I'm gonna get on the schedule. I'm gonna do right, I promise. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.